Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, let's explore the cutting-edge IoT solutions that are revolutionizing trailer maintenance and enhancing the operations of logistics companies. IoT solutions for cold chain trailers. Temperature-controlled freight is unforgiving. A single sensor failure can spoil an entire shipment. IoT helps cold chain operators stay ahead of problems. Multi-zone monitoring tracks temps in different trailer sections, ensuring frozen and refrigerated goods stay within strict ranges. Alerts trigger if doors are left open or cooling systems falter. Predictive maintenance uses vibration sensors on refrigeration units to detect unusual patterns, signaling when parts like compressors need servicing before they fail mid-transit. Compliance automation logs temperature history automatically, replacing manual forms and simplifying FDA or USDA audits. One food distributor reduced spoiled shipments by 22% after installing IoT-enabled trailers. Their system texts drivers if temps rise dangerously, giving them time to adjust settings or reroute to the nearest service point. These examples prove IoT isn't just about gadgets. It's about keeping trailers moving safely and efficiently. The data doesn't just predict failures. It prevents them. Challenges and considerations. While IoT brings clear advantages to trailer maintenance, adopting it isn't without hurdles. Data security, system compatibility, and training all play a role in whether a fleet sees smooth implementation or frustrating setbacks. Addressing these early can make the difference between an IoT system that works and one that drains resources. Data security and privacy concerns. Trailer sensors collect sensitive data, location, maintenance history, even driver behavior. If this falls into the wrong hands, it risks theft, sabotage, or regulatory fines. Common vulnerabilities include unsecured networks. Hackers can intercept data if transmissions aren't encrypted. Weak device passwords. Default login credentials on sensors or gateways are easy targets. Cloud storage risks. Storing data on shared servers without strict access controls raises exposure. Mitigating this starts with basics. End-to-end encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular software updates. Some fleets also use blockchain for tamper-proof maintenance logs, ensuring data isn't altered after collection. Integration with existing systems. Older fleets often run on legacy software that wasn't designed for IoT. Forcing new sensors to talk to outdated systems can lead to data silos. Maintenance alerts stuck in one platform while dispatch uses another. False alarms. Incompatible systems might misread sensor outputs, flooding teams with unnecessary alerts. Delayed repairs. If IoT warnings don't sync with work order systems, issues slip through the cracks. A phased approach helps. Start by integrating IoT with one process, like tire monitoring, before expanding. APIs or middleware can bridge gaps between old and new tech, pulling data into a unified dashboard without replacing entire systems overnight. Training and workforce adaptation. Not every mechanic is ready to swap wrenches for data analytics. Resistance to change is natural, especially when teams distrust alerts. I've always inspected brakes manually. Why trust a sensor? Overload happens. Too many alerts without prioritization can numb staff to critical warnings. Skills gaps exist. Few fleet managers are data scientists, yet IoT tools demand comfort with dashboards and trends. Hands-on training works best. show technicians how sensors caught a failing bearing before it seized, or let dispatchers practice routing trailers based on real-time wear data. Pairing alerts with clear action steps, like replace brake pads within 500 miles, also builds confidence in the system. The goal isn't replacing human judgment but arming teams with better tools. Once they see IoT stopping problems before they happen, adoption speeds up. Future trends in IoT for trailer maintenance. The next wave of IoT isn't just about sensors sending alerts. It's about smarter, faster, and more connected maintenance. As AI and 5G push into logistics, trailers will predict failures with near-perfect accuracy and transmit data without lag. The result? Fewer breakdowns, lower costs, and fleets that run like clockwork. AI and machine learning in predictive maintenance. Today's IoT systems flag issues. Tomorrow's will predict them with scary precision. AI analyzes patterns in sensor data to spot problems humans might miss. Anomaly detection. Machine learning identifies subtle changes in vibration or temperature that signal early wear, like a bearing starting to fail months before it seizes. Failure forecasting. Instead of just saying, brakes are wearing, AI estimates exactly when they'll need replacement based on usage patterns, weather, and route history. Adaptive alerts. The system learns which warnings matter most to your fleet. A refrigerated trailer might prioritize coolant leaks over tire pressure, while flatbeds focus on load-securing hardware. One fleet testing AI-driven maintenance reduced unplanned repairs by 52%. Not by adding more sensors, but by making better use of the data they already had. The impact of 5G on IoT connectivity. Ever had a GPS glitch because your trailer drove through a dead zone? 5G fixes that. With faster speeds and near-zero latency, it transforms how trailers communicate. Real-time updates. Sensors transmit terabytes of data instantly, letting fleets monitor trailers second by second, critical for high-value or hazardous cargo. Edge computing. 5G lets trailers process data onboard instead of waiting to send it to the cloud. A temperature sensor can adjust the cooler itself if temps rise, no human needed. Denser networks. Rural routes won't drop signals anymore. 5G towers cover wider areas reliably, ensuring even remote breakdowns trigger instant alerts. Early adopters report fewer, lost, data packets during transit, meaning maintenance teams always have the latest info to work with. The future isn't just connected trailers. It's trailers that think ahead. With AI and 5G, fleets won't just react faster. They'll stay miles ahead of problems. IoT is reshaping trailer maintenance from a guessing game into a precise science. By predicting failures before they happen, it cuts downtime, lowers costs, and keeps fleets moving. The tech isn't just for giant logistics firms. Any fleet can benefit from smarter, data-driven maintenance. If you're still relying on manual checks, now's the time to explore IoT. Start small with tire pressure sensors or GPS tracking, then scale as you see the results. Trailers last longer, drivers stay safer, and operations run smoother. The future of maintenance is here. Why wait to jump in? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.